So I've been having a problem the past couple years with carpenter bees. They've been eating my deck apart, and no matter how many I kill, I can't seem to get them under control. So I built this this trap last year, and I just so happened to check it, and it's full of bees. So there were probably 2 or 3 of them in there last year. And so far this year, probably within the last month or so, we had a couple warm days. They came out and it filled up. So I'll unscrew it and see how many we got in there. It's a lot of bees. So you just build this box. What I did was I used decking material, 4 pieces, and I screwed them together so there was a hollow spot in the middle. Then I drilled these holes on an angle going up, one on each side. And then you take a mason jar cap, you punch a hole in it, and then screw that onto the bottom. So as the bees, they go up in these holes here, they go in and then they see light in the jar and they go down, and then they can't get back up because there's no light through this hole. So they get trapped in there. So the first thing I did was when I first made this, I put some sugar water in there, and within a couple days I had maybe 2 bees last year, and then that was it. And all through the winter and whatnot, I only had two carcasses in there. But I just so happened to look at it today, and there's got to be at least like 10 or 11. 1, 2, 3. There's like 15 of them in there. So hopefully, and then you just leave them in here because the scent, the more bees that are in there, the more go in there apparently. So you just leave them in there, and hopefully it wipes out your population. But good job so far. So this is just a mason jar, and then I cut some decking material and just made like a little decorative cap for it and painted it, a little hook on it, and you just hang it in your landscaping or your garden, and it catches the carpenter bees. So hope this helps.